I just kind of want to go through everything that we did here and what this is going to be used for. This is a guy's property. Right here he puts his camper. You can see his pedestal and sewers over there, but he sets his camper up here. So before he had just a pad here, and he wanted some walls and then a fire pit area. But here I'm assuming they're going to concrete this. That's why the patio is or the gravel is so low. They're going to put concrete all up in here, so that's why this is so low. He just wanted this and then a place to hang out and have a fire pit. Isn't that cool looking? Then you got the view. Truck looks like I'm a sneaker, but whatever. But yeah, so this is the completed job. I'll go down below and get a better look at it. Now that we're all done, he will bring his camper up in. Here's the steps to go down to the lower level. And then that's a seating wall to use for this. Obviously you could put chairs around. This is crushed granite. Oh, I want to show you on this wall here. Hear a lot of people talking. This is how you do corners. You break these, and instead of trying to do the 45s, I know a lot of people, I've seen people do the 45s. We used to, and then now we've been doing this. It makes that corner, whoops, it makes that corner just look so much better. I mean, look at that. But it's natural, and when you break it like that, you do have those spots. But all in all, it's just a better look. And then we put that wall there with a bump out, so I'm assuming they'll put a table up there or something where the camper is. And then this nice big area to hang out and do whatever. But here's the whole thing. Just kind of want to get an idea and show you the look of the whole thing. Little steps, nice. So this is the video of these two walls with the fire pit and seating wall right there, as you can see. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share. It goes a long ways, and we really appreciate it. Thanks for watching our videos. We have a fun time doing this. Isn't that nice? So anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.